I'm an 8-year-old from USA. I recently built a super cool mobile control robot using the Arduino. I learned from Roboticsschools. This is how the code and app and how my robot works. This is all the code that I did that to write so it could like move and understand from the app. This is the code for the RC car and the app. And now I'm going to show you a video of how the RC car works. So this is my app. So when I press the Bluetooth and I press this, it will say if it's connected or not to tell you need to try one more time or not. And then when I press the forward button, it'll go forward. And if I press the backward button, it'll go backward.